The SEC vs. Ripple case is still the most discussed topic. And now we're about to witness the case's most important decision: what's going to happen next. What happened to the XRP whales now? Make sure to stay until the end. Surprisingly, the SEC vs. Ripple case has taken a new turn in favor of XRP investors. Judge Torres recently denied the SEC's letter to file a counter motion to strike out Ripple's fourth affirmative defense known as Sir Reply because she was fed up with the agency's delays. The court should not consider the SEC's public enforcement action in the cryptocurrency space filed before the lawsuit, according to Ripple's Sir Reply. Judge Torres recently denied the SEC's application letter because it was unsigned and undated, as well as for failing to identify any specific legal authority for the relief sought. The absence of a date and signature on the application, according to the judge, was just another ruse to prolong the lawsuit. Following the release of Ripple's 2012 legal memos, which provide guidance on how to avoid treating XRP as a security in the eyes of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit has heated up in recent days. However, as more documents are released, the lawsuit is expected to pick up steam in the coming days. Judge Sarah Netburn will soon be faced with the most significant decision in the history of Ripple. According to XRP holders' attorney John Deaton, as previously reported, the magistrate ruled recently on the deliberative process privilege issue, granting Ripple a few victories that were enough to be considered a positive outcome for the defendants and XRP holders, as Bill Hinman's speech as well as related notes and drafts were not found to be privileged. The SEC then filed a petition for reconsideration as a plaintiff, arguing that what was previously referred to as a personal opinion is now referred to as public guidance. Many people were surprised by the SEC's 180-degree turn after the lawsuit. But it will be up to Magistrate Netburn to decide whether or not they were correct. What are your thoughts on this incident? By the way, let us know what you think in the comments below. With the SEC vs. Ripple decision on the horizon, John Deaton, the attorney representing the over 65,000 XRP holders, have been granted amicus curiae status in the case, has shared his thoughts on the decision, emphasizing how crucial it will be for the case's outcome. The decision by Judge Netburn on the motion for reconsideration will be the most important decision in the Ripple case. I say that because I don't think the motion to strike the fair notice defense is that important, because the judge is in deciding whether Ripple had fair notice but only whether it can argue it, he explained. The 63 emails containing drafts and comments on the HIM in Ethereum no longer being considered a security lecture or the subject of the reconsideration request in this case. When it comes down to it, the speech's final version mentions both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The final version of the document makes no reference to or mention of XRP. In January 2018, XRP surpassed Ethereum to become the world's second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Reaching an all-time high above $3, XRP was the world's second largest cryptocurrency 6 months just prior to Hinman's speech. What are the chances that none of the 63 emails sent included a single mention of XRP? What are the chances that at least one email chain participant brought up the topic of XRP in his or her message? Someone in the email chain had the opportunity to ask a very logical question such as, what about XRP? It becomes completely reasonable task once someone understands the fundamentals of how Ethereum was created and used, as well as how XRP was created and used. In a recent interview, attorney Wendy Moore, a partner at Perkins Coie, a law firm with expertise in both Ethereum and XRP, inquired about the same topic. To put it bluntly, it's difficult to avoid asking that question once you've gained a thorough understanding of both Ethereum and XRP. Joseph Runfast, one of the Ethereum founder's advisors, explained why this was the case in a letter to the SEC dated December 17, 2020. The attorneys from Perkins Coie who represented both platforms answered the same question. XRP is likely to have been mentioned in at least one of the communications, according to the information we have. An analysis of XRP as a security was completed on June 13, 2018, and the letter did not recommend enforcement. If this is the case, the mere fact that XRP was mentioned in the communication is sufficient to exculpate the recipient. If Judge Netburn rules that the emails must be turned over, it will be a turning point in the case, not to mention that even if the SEC is successful in persuading her that the emails are protected by the DPP, she has the option of piercing the privilege and ordering the records to be turned over for inspection. The fact that she rules the emails are protected but orders the SEC to release them suggests that XRP is being discussed and or the material is truly exculpatory. If the judge believes the evidence is exculpatory and Ripple has no other way to obtain it than through litigation, the judge may pierce the pro Village. If she overturns our previous order and finds that the emails are privileged but does not breach the privilege, the emails, while beneficial to Ripple, are unlikely to be as significant as we believe. Are you convinced that this is all about XRP versus Ethereum? If that's the case, you want to give this video a thumbs up. In addition, we have some exciting new information about the XRP cryptocurrency. To put it another way, the whales have gone insane in the previous 3 months. The trend for XRP addresses with at least 10 million native units has been a return to accumulation, a pattern that was seen prior to a significant surge in the XRP USD and XRP BTC pairings in late 2020. Since December 2021, the number of XRP mega well addresses has increased by 76% according to analytics firm Sentiment, which shows that they have added a total of 890,700,000 tokens to their holdings, valued at roughly $712 million as of February 18. Furthermore, the platform stated that the previous 3 months' XRP accumulation was the second largest in the coin's history, trailing only the first. Between November and December 2020, Wells deposited a total of 1.29 billion XRP to the respective addresses in the first large-scale accumulation. It's worth noting that the increase in XRP supply into well addresses coincided with a rise in the cryptocurrency's price when compared to Bitcoin. The exchange rate between XRP and Bitcoin increased by over 150% between November 1, 2020 and November 24, 2020.